Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset your Cash App password. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Before getting started, it is important to understand that your Cash App password and your Cash App PIN are two different things. This video is specifically about resetting the password connected to your Cash App login, not the payment PIN used for transactions. First, try changing the password of the email account linked to your Cash App account. For example, if your Cash App is connected to a Gmail account, updating the password for that Gmail account may help secure and refresh access to your Cash App login as well. After changing the email password, try logging back into Cash App to see if the issue is resolved. If that does not work, open Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings and profile options. From there, scroll all the way down until you find the support section. Next, tap on Cash App support to open the help center. Inside the support area, explain your issue clearly and mention that you want to reset your Cash App password, not your Cash App PIN. This distinction is important because they are handled differently inside the app. Cash App support can then guide you through the account recovery or password reset process depending on your account status and verification details. In some cases, additional identity verification may be required before changes can be made to your account. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.